Hey everybody, it's Julie, and today I want to talk to you about Olight's Halloween sale that is going on right now through October 26, 2023, and you can save up to 40% off on a variety of their products. They sent me these three to talk to you about today, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Let's start with the biggest one first. This is the Arkfeld Pro. Now, we've reviewed this light before in the past, but not in this cool Halloween-themed colorway, which they're calling Zombie Green. It looks kind of cool, so let's open this up. Like so. Let's see what we get here. We get some instructions on how to operate it, how to charge it. So let's put that away. We have our safety directions. We have our user manual. Here is their proprietary USB charger. It's magnetic. And then we have the light here, if it wants to come out for me. So let's take it out here. I love it. Green's one of my favorite colors, and having blood splatters on it, I guess that makes it better. I don't know. So what we have is we have the flashlight. They even have the color on the bottom too. So it just connects just like that, and you can charge it. So this is a very nice light. I like the flat form factor. It makes it easy to hold. It's got this button here that you can use to, it's a laser, green laser. That's cool. And of course you have the light itself, which you just turn that switch right there to turn that on, and then when you press the button, it will turn the light on and it will go through the modes. Just like that. Turn it back to that and you're on the laser. Turn it back to that and you have a UV light. So that's cool. This is a super nice light. It's really well made. And it is currently 30% off, and it has a max lumen of 1300. So that is the Olight Arkfeld Pro. I'll put a link to our review in the description below if you want to read a lot more about it. So there's that one. So let's go to the next size up. We have the Olight Warrior Nano flashlight. So let's open this guy up. It's got a similar setup here. Pull it out of the box. You've got a read me first kind of document. Talks to you about how to use it. You have your safety instructions, your user manual. You've got your proprietary charging cable just like before. And what do we have here? Get this open. I'm not quite sure what this is. Not seen this before. It must be some kind of a mount. Probably because the flashlight, the bottom of it, is magnetic. Yep. So you could, you could put this, mount this someplace to use as a lantern or something. Anyway, it's just like a little stand. So that's interesting, and you get two different stickers or adhesive so you can stick this to something. Okay. Now, like their other lights, this charger clips to the bottom with magnets and charges the light. And I wonder if this will turn on, or if I have to probably unscrew it and remove a protective cover over the battery. Yep, that's what I thought. So we take this off, and inside it's got a replaceable cell for you. Put that back in there. Let's screw this on. I like these little Warrior lights because they're small. They have a nice pocket clip that's two-way. You could either clip it like this or like this. And if you don't want to clip it either way, you can take the whole clip off if you want to. It's got a very nice knurled grip so that you won't lose your grip on this light, and it's nice and small. It's pocket friendly. So it has a button right there on the top, on off. If you hold it down, it goes through the different light modes. And this one has a max lumen of 1200. It's a really nice light, and it's currently 25% off. So that is the Olight Warrior Nano. Now I'm going to save the small light. I guess we could call this the best for last, because you can get this one for free. This one is the Olight i3E EOS. It's a keychain light. So let's open up this little guy right here. And you can get this one for free if you spend $49. It's completely free. If you don't want to spend $49 on the Olight site, hey, you can still get it for free, but you'll have to pay the shipping of $5. So what you get here is the small user manual. And then you have this little light that, just like the Arkfeld Pro, it has a Halloween theme. It's orange with skulls. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. It's got a nice little split ring here so you can put it on your keychain. It is super small. Let's open it up so we can take that protective cover over the battery. There it is. It's stuck down in there. Can I get that out? There we go. And put it back on. This will run on a regular old AAA battery. So a lot of people don't like rechargeable lights. So here you go. This one can be yours for free. There we go. Turn it on. It has a max lumen of 90. Yeah, it's not real bright, but it is bright enough. And to use it, you just untwist it to turn it off when you're not using the light. And when you want to use it, you just twist it and it turns it on. So there you go. This little guy is cute as a button. And again, it's free, completely free, if you spend $49 on Olight's site right now through October 26th during their Halloween sale. But if you just want to get this little guy, but you don't want to spend any more money, you can. You just pay the $5 shipping. So you can do that right now through October 26th. And you can get yourself one of these cool flashlights for your EDC. Nice. I'll have all the links below in the description. So everybody, happy Halloween.